All right, guys, so let's talk today about a mindset that we need to adopt when we're looking to change our lives in any way, but specifically talking about fitness and eating better and having better nutrition habits and all that good stuff. Is that transformation, any kind of transformation, but specifically talking about, body transformation, eating better, working out. It's hard, okay? And it only gets harder if we have people around us that are saying things that, aren't positive, that are saying things that are negative, that get to us. So we need to learn how to block out the noise, because it's inevitable that we're going to have people that really aren't in our corner about this. So you may have a spouse that's not really into it. Could be some friends. Could be family, co-workers, friends of friends, whoever it may be. There's going to be people that have negative things to say about what you're doing. So, they could be saying things like, you're too big if you're trying to gain weight. You're too skinny. You're, eating like that's crazy. Like, oh, you can have just one. So food pushers. Or your workouts are too hard. All these things, people just like to put their opinion out there. And a lot of the times, not only are they not going through their own transformation themselves, they are just, putting their emotions off on you because, deep down, they probably want to change. They just haven't made the decision to do it yet. And the only way they know how to handle it is to put you down for it because they're not ready to make that leap. They see you trying to make changes for the better and they're jealous. So obviously we're not going to be able to get rid of all these people from our lives because, an unsupportive spouse kind of just is your spouse. So they're not going anywhere. And maybe you have a talk with them saying, hey, I need your help with this. I want your support. And, sometimes that goes well. Sometimes it doesn't. If not, you just have to learn to take things with a grain of salt and say, hey, they may be saying these things, but I'm doing this ultimately for me. You may have other reasons. You want to be there for your family. Obviously, you want to, do all these things. But at the end of the day, you are the reason that you're, embarking on this journey. You're the reason why you want to do this. So the only opinion that matters at the end of the day is your own. So we have to try to block out that noise. Yeah, it's going to be hard. Yeah, some things are going to get to you. But if you just realize that most negative comments about what you're doing, come from a place of jealousy and come from them being insecure about how they look in general, it's going to be better for you because transformation is hard enough as it is. But if we let things people say to us or about us on the outside get to us, it just makes it that much harder. So we got to just learn to block out the noise, know that we're doing it for us, and know that, the other stuff's coming from a place of jealousy, and I think we'll get a lot further and the journey will be better. Obviously, it's not going to be easy, but it's going to be easier if we're not, listening to the naysayers all the time. So if you have any questions about this, shoot me an email, chris@reformedathletes.com. If you have any comments, maybe you've dealt with this stuff before, leave a comment below or post it in the Facebook group. I'll talk to you later, guys.